Is IQ really fixed? Most people believe intelligence is something you are born with and stuck with for life. But neuroscience, psychology, and history tell a very different story. How geniuses train their mind, IQ is not fixed. Many people believe intelligence, IQ is something you are born with and can't change. Modern neuroscience proves this is not true. Geniuses train their minds in specific ways that continuously raise their cognitive abilities. Number one, they believe intelligence can grow, growth mindset. Geniuses strongly believe I can get smarter with effort. This belief alone increases learning speed. Mistakes are seen as feedback, not failure. Brain connections, neuroplasticity strengthen with practice. Fact: the brain physically changes when you learn new skills. Number two, the practice deep focused thinking. Instead of multitasking, geniuses focus on one task deeply. Think slowly and carefully, ask why and how, not just what. Even 60 to 90 minutes of deep focus daily improves problem solving ability. Number three, they learn actively, not passively. Geniuses don't just read or listen, they teach others what they learn. Write summaries in their own words, ask questions, and challenge ideas. Active learning builds high order thinking, not just memory. Number four, they strengthen working memory. Working memory is equal to mental workspace of intelligence. They train it by mental math, memory recall exercises, learning languages or instruments, solving puzzles, logic, chess, strategy games. Strong working memory is equal to higher IQ performance. Number five, they protect sleep and brain health. Geniuses take care of their brains like athletes take care of their bodies. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, regular exercise boosts brain oxygen. Healthy fats, nuts, fish, olive oil. Poor sleep can reduce IQ by 10 to 15 points temporarily. Number six, they love difficult problems. They seek mental struggle because hard thinking grows neural pathways. Easy tasks don't improve intelligence. Rule they follow: if it's uncomfortable, it's working. Number seven, they reflect daily. Geniuses regularly ask, what did I learn today? What mistake taught me the most? How can I think better tomorrow? This reflection sharpens metacognition, thinking about thinking. The truth about IQ is not fixed, intelligence is trainable, effort plus correct strategies is equal to higher mental ability. You don't need to be born a genius, you become one through training. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, like my channel. Thank you.